I used to be the new grad that didn't like what they were doing, didn't see any road out, and wanted to know how I was going to fix my career. Unfortunately for me, I had to figure out how to do everything myself. Fortunately for you, I've got a product that you can get into, and I will teach you how to do the groundwork to build a successful clinic, how to launch that successful clinic, scale that clinic, and make it something that you can be proud of and that people from miles away will travel to in order to work with you when they've figured out that the broken conventional model doesn't work. I'm Dr. Rhett Polka, and I am here to tell you that I've coached clinicians with years of experience and short-term experience, and I've also coached PT school students how to scale, operate, run, and be successful as a clinic owner.